Here we have a SAT math question. So there is an absolute value inequality. There is an absolute value of n negative 2 less than 5. How many integers n satisfy the inequality above? So we have to solve this absolute value inequality for n. So that we'll have, we can find the number of integer values we have for n which satisfy the given inequality. Okay, let's solve the given absolute value inequality. Okay, whenever I want to solve absolute value inequality, I have to split up the given inequality into two branches. In both the branches, I have to take the stuff inside the absolute value as it is. That is n negative 2, n negative 2. Now in the first branch, I have to take this inequality sign and this number as it is n negative 2 less than 5. In the second branch, I have to flip this inequality sign, then it will become greater than, and also I have to change the sign of this value 5, so it will become negative 5. Okay, now we have two inequalities and we have to solve each inequalities. Okay, so to solve this inequality, I'm adding 2 to both sides. Then I get n less than 7. So here also I'm adding 2 to both sides. Negative 2 positive will cancel out, n greater than negative 3. So now let's plot these two solutions on a number line. So we have negative 3, let's mark negative 3 over here, 7 over here. So this inequality says n has to be less than 7. This inequality says n has to be greater than negative 3. So, so n cannot be equal to negative 3 because n has to be greater than negative 3. At the same time, n cannot be equal to 7. It has to be less than 7. So you can consider all the values between negative 3 and 7 as a value for n. But the question says integers. So we have to consider only the integer values between negative 3 and 7. So what are the integer values we have? Okay, let's write them. So we have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the values, these are the integer values we have between negative 3 and 7. So let's count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 integer values we have between negative 3 and 7. All these 9 integer values of n will satisfy the given inequality. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.